Rob sees you may have heard the popular genetic testing firm 23andMe also filed for protection this week.
If you submitted information to track your genealogy, the company says the bankruptcy will not impact your data in any way, but you do have rights.
Our On Your Side safety team breaking down what you may want to do to keep that information safe. Here's Desiree Montilla.
I like to say we're the people's protector. That means also protecting your genetic data and your privacy.
Attorney General Jason Miyares making sure you know your rights when it comes to your genetic data. This comes as 23andMe files for bankruptcy. The popular genetic testing company provides at-home DNA testing kits, giving people a closer look into their family histories and genetic profiles.
A lot of people have an interest on their background and maybe where they came from, and so a lot of individuals have sent samples of their saliva or hair to these genetic companies.
23andMe says this move will not impact the way it stores, protects, or manages customers' data. But amid this current situation, Miyares says a state law passed in 2023 gives Virginians the right to demand the company to delete their data and destroy samples within 30 days of the request.
Your data, your genetic data, that's your genetic footprint. And it says so much about yourself and your possible, not just genetic history, but medical history. And so we absolutely encourage anybody who has a concern to make that request, that they can absolutely request that data is now deleted. It's no longer in their control, and they're not allowed to transfer that or sell it to anyone else.
If there's evidence 23andMe is not complying with your request, you can file a complaint with the Attorney General's office, who can step in to help.
If we decide to then bring a court case, if it's something where they just inadvertently did it, each separate action is a $1,000 fine. If it's shown to be deliberate and willful, it's $10,000 per offense.
If you have a 23andMe account, you can log in and opt out of having your saliva sample and DNA stored by the company. You can also withdraw consent for this data to be used for research. Desiree Montilla, 12 on Your Side.
Diversity, equity,